Okay guys, so let's talk orders. I'm going to show you, I had done the video for how to put orders in for your party, and then I realized that maybe we needed to go over some of the other order types. Maybe a retail order, maybe a business supply order, or a marketplace order. So I decided to do one other small video on how to order. So of course you're going to log into your 31 Today, and this is going to be your dashboard, and then you're going to click on this virtual office over here, and it's going to take you to a screen that looks like this. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click on your orders tab up here, okay, and you could click new order over here. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you a place where you can fill in information, but it's also going to give you this drop-down menu over here. So you could actually place an order for a party here. You could do a retail customer order here. You could do a business supply order for spring. You could do a sales incentive. So if you earned like a K-Kit group, this is where you would do that. And here is your 31 marketplace. Now, in the information, I did outline what each of these orders were, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's go in here and let's talk about a retail customer order. So a retail customer order is typically a person who is not placing an order on a party. Okay, so that is what you're going to have there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to type in, let's see here, I'm going to put in, I'll just go ahead and put myself in there. All right, so we're going to put that in there. I have no idea why that's showing up like that, but whatever. We will put this in here and we'll hit save and continue. So let's say, for example, I'm just going to choose one of these off of here. I'm going to say I want the All About the Benjamins, and I'm going to do it in that lovely diamond straw, and I'm going to click that, and you're going to see that it has added it to my cart like normal. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go view the cart, and you're going to have this. Now look, it tells you that you qualify for a special. So if you wanted to qualify for a special, you can. Go ahead and put that in there. But I'm okay. I want to just get the wallet. So I'm going to hit begin checkout. And look here, where normally it would say ship to hostess, it's going to say ship, direct ship. And down here you can see that the shipping reflects not only that standard 8% charge, but it also reflects that additional $4 charge for a direct ship order. Okay, so that is the difference between putting an order on a party and having it come into the hostess, or having it shipped directly to someone's door. It's typically an extra $4. So I would go ahead and close this order out like normal. I would put new payment. I would click that. I would place my payment in here. And then I would just go over here and I would click the submit order button. Now, with these types of orders, it submits it automatically as soon as you hit that submit order button, and it goes into your order history. So across the top here, you can actually see orders, and if you click the order history, you can go in and you can actually review all of your orders that you have placed so that you have that. Okay, so let's talk about some other orders that we have. Let's see here, I do not want to keep this one, so I'm just going to delete that one. It's the one that we just tried to place. I think I have one other weird order in here where I was showing somebody something. Did you know that you can go in and you can play with orders and that you can try out the orders? Just don't put any information in there. Don't put any payment information. But you can play with the orders and you can do that. So we're going to place a new order, and we're going to do business supplies. So let's go ahead and take a look at those business supplies. You can see that it automatically generates all of the information over here, and you can hit the save and continue. Oh, there's that crazy thing that I get all the time. All right, so we have that. All right, so what I can do is, this is my my business orders. So you can see I can order products on here if I want, but I highly recommend that you do not order products under the business supply tab. And the reason I'm going to tell you to not do that is because number one, we don't get sales credit on that. Sales credit is the other name for personal volume. And personal volume is what keeps you active as a consultant. And so if you place orders for product underneath a business supply, that is not counting towards your personal volume. So I highly recommend that you use your order supply or your business supply tab to order consultant supplies. So you're going to see this right here, consultant supplies. And here is where you're going to go in. And oh yeah, I'm going to put an order in. So we're going to add in that because I need that baby checklist. I need that baby collection flyer. So I want to go ahead and add those to my order too. Boy, this is really good that I got in here and got this because I totally wanted this. Look, there's your summer essentials guide. So totally want some of those too. Okay. And I want to go in, and I did notice that this guy was in there as well. And so I want to go ahead and I want to order one of those too. So I can keep on going back to this consultant supply, and I can just keep on pulling out what I want to be able to purchase my items. And you can see that there's all kinds of things in here. You can get fun file folders. You can get key fob bundles. As you see, it's almost like a buy two, get one free. You can do magnetic bookmarks. You can do the mini journal bundles. These are great for little giveaways. I give them away on my VIP page and things like that. You can see that there's monthly flyers, recruiting packets, party folders. So there's all kinds of things in here. I'm going to tell you that it's really, really easy to get carried away with going in here and purchasing all of these really cool things. And not that they are completely 100% awesome, because they are. Just make sure that you're doing things that are well within your budget so that you're not concerned about that. And I do need to order a pack of these too. I use these for mailing stuff. Actually, they're great when I wrap them up and mail things. And let me check out here some of my fabric swatches. It looks like, oh, I can choose the baby collection here, which I don't have that one. And I'm going to add that to my cart too. So you can see here there's all kinds of things that you can get and grab. These are super fun. If you just like to have some little giveaways on hand, you can actually get these too. There's multiple items in there. I'm going to show you how to kind of take a sneak peek and see what's in them. So we're going to go ahead and add these to the cart. Watch this. Let me give you a little sneak peek of how to fix this. So we're going to go over and we're going to view our cart. And then if we scroll down, you can actually see there's my little grab bag. And you can say show details, and it's going to show you what's coming in this. And that's a great deal. 25 bucks, and you're getting an organizing shoulder bag, a rolling jewel, which is a great purse. It's a smaller version of All About the Benjamins, and then a jewelry case. And then down here you can see, look, there's your small one too, with another jewelry case, a manicure nail file, and an essential storage tote. So those are some great things in that. And they change. It's almost like a mystery hostess item, so you can always see what's going on in there. So you can see these are all of my goodies that I have and everything that's available. So I've got my baby flyers, I've got my my gift guides and things like that. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to take these out, the baby flyers, only because I can print those off. Now, the reason I'm keeping the gift guides in here and my globally inspired ones is because those are actually little booklets, and they're harder for me to print off and keep. So I'm definitely going to keep those in there. So I can kind of go through and see what I have. This is my subtotal. Begin my checkout. You can see that this is going to be shipped directly to me. There's my shipping. There's everything like that. I can go in here, select my card on file, save my payment, and then once I'm all finished, I can go in here and submit my order. And my business supplies are ready to go. And you can see there is my order history. And there it is right there. so that I can actually take a look at it and print off my own little receipt. So the last order type I want to show you is our marketplace. So we're going to go in here to back to orders, 31 marketplace. It populates those fields. Oh, for the love. Okay, we're going to do that. And then, so this is your 40% off, ladies. The marketplace, as you saw it detailed in the information, is where you can get some of these items for 40% off. So I actually, there is a couple things I wanted to look into. And one of them was the gallery necklace. I think this is beautiful. And I was thinking about this blue one, so you could add that one to the list. Go back over to the jewelry, get the gallery earrings, and you could do them in the marbled blue, and you could add that to your cart, okay? And then if you wanted, you could go over and add things that you want, other things maybe you wanted in there. If you're not paying attention, you can see that these are well below what the price is in the catalog because it's honoring that 40% off. If I go over to my cart, you can see that these two items, subtotals $37.80. Click on this, it's going to be shipped to me. And you can see here what the total is going to be with the shipping and the tax. So that is a marketplace order. And of course, there's more information detailing what that exactly means for you in the information. So I hope this goes over a few more of those order types that maybe you're looking at. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I will be happy to help you. Have a great day. Talk to you later.